Hear this noise? That's not just annoying. It's your washing machine crying for help. When your machine starts shaking, squeaking, or spinning off balance, it's often a loose drum, worn bearings, or something small that's about to become expensive. Most people wait until it completely stops working. But fixing it early costs less and saves your laundry day. So if your microwave, washing machine, or AC is acting up, don't wait. Call Urban Service Company today and let the pros handle it before it breaks down.